Hey fellow riders, let's do a quick unboxing of the Barkbusters for the F850GS, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. So if you're interested, I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing or unwrapping or whatever you want to call it of the Barkbusters handguards for the F850GS. I'm sure it's similar for other bikes if you wanted to see what comes in a typical package. But let's jump right into it. So really quickly, I'll just open these. Not much to these. These are the handguards themselves. I got the VPS versions. There's also the Storm and other ones as well. So it looks like within this are the two handguards and looks like mounting pieces and screws. I don't see any directions, but I don't foresee it being too difficult. But I will create an installation video for those interested. So that's the handguards. And here's what's in the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. Nothing fancy to it, but some staples on it. So the two pieces, these are aluminum, pretty light. And then the installation instructions. And then the parts and pieces. Now this will go on both the 850GS and the 750GS. It has all the parts for both. With the 850GS, you'll only use two spacers, one on each side. With the 750GS, you'll use two spacers, four spacers, two on each side. And there you go. That's what you get inside the Barkbusters for the F850GS and 750GS. Feel pretty good. I'm excited to put those on. Nice and light, but feel nice and sturdy as well. Make sure to look for the installation video. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you watching. Now let's go explore.